there is now efficiency and accuracy in elections. And secondly, there is secure and transparent voting systems. What do you mean by that? Dati kasi, people still remember, no? Prior to 2010, counting takes weeks, if not months. Meron yata pagkakataon na nag-election tayo ng Mayo, June 28 na, wala pang napoproclaim. June 10 yung start ng term ng bagong administrasyon. Okay? But with automated election systems, everything is fast. Pero, as sabihin ni Pastor Jojo, well, may problema dyan. Kasi mali yung bilang. We'll go to that later on. What are the problems associated with the AES? Number one, technical glitches. All electronic machines, no matter how good the machines, are bound to fail. Okay? All electronic gadgets are bound to fail. Take note of that. Even your cell phone, ano?